Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I've got the electric. If anyone says, oh, you're not allowed to be, I'd go out there. I don't care.
Okay.
Okay. It's the first time coming to like Waddle, that's all.
Yeah, that's right.
So I thought, yeah.
So just, yeah, don't move in and out around this.
Sorry, mate, you've got the sun behind you, so I'm blinded. Yeah, so, yeah, no, I do look after it. I'm particular with all my shit, to be honest. He's alright. He's my neighbour, yeah. Alright, 60 metres, done. Catch you guys.
Cool, no worries. We'll just head out, and you know that whole rock wall we were looking at on the way? If I heard the resistance he was on.
Simple.
Yeah.
Simple.
Like I should see if I got any crankers in the tackle box. I think I got a black one. Maybe a baby vibe. You see much on the sounder?
On the bottom is 2.
Yep.
Oh, fuck off, yes.
It's not big. All good. All good. First one on the baby vibe, little guy. See that? Bait fish. There's a bait ball around there somewhere.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, see? Told ya, I fucking saw him. He's got a mate?
Yeah.
Let me try to get him. Leave him there.
Yeah, he's got a mate. Oh. Yeah, you got him. Yeah, oh, fuck.
Did he go for it?
Yeah, he went for it.
That's better. Straight away, as soon as it hit the water. Number 2 on the baby vibe. About the same size as the last one.
Okay, let's go now. That's it, perfect.
Oh, fucker.
Fuck. Is that king? he?
I don't know, man. I only felt the resistance and then gone.
Motherfucker. What the fuck? He busted you?
Didn't even have time to run, man. Just fucking, he went straight for the fucking structure. Yeah, busted me. Yeah, it's all frayed. There's the leader. It's all frayed.
Fuck. He took it before some structure, and then he fucked you around the structure. Fuck, man, I reckon that was a little king.
Probably.
Colour with a red. You're joking, bro. Oh, fuck. I got the net. Go, go. Fuck, bro, that's mad. Go.
So. My favourite colour. Eyes black and gold, I think. How has he got barrow trauma? I pulled him out of 1 metre. That's weird.
That was a good hit, man. Right on that leg.
Yeah. Most of my hits have come when I'm flush, like flush on the edge, you know?
I saw it, yeah, before.
I reckon it's a flatty, yeah.
Yeah, it's full of flatties here.
Yeah, flatty. Good one.
Oh, good, man. I told you to get flatty. I told you this, dude. We get heaps of flatties. How big is he?
60. Oh, fuck.
I heard that.
You hit it.
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it, man. Oh, yeah. Flatty?
Not sure. Nah, it's a Bream. Good one.
Yeah. You're going to get heaps here because this flat, as you know, is fucking... Oh, fuck, that's right. Take a photo of that one. Because it's black. Black lives matter. We've got an esky in there. That's an esky, see? Go on there. I want to try top water too, but man. Ooh, see that?
That was a good hit.
That was a good hit, man. That was a fucking good hit. Oh, there. Yep.
Set the hook, dude. You got him?
Yeah.
Nice one.
See that? I didn't have to do shit.
Quick, get it up, get it up.
It must be these cunts that are fucking them around. You reckon?
Maybe. Yeah, lucky.